Step inside a home where winter is not endured, but curated. This Scandinavian Christmas residence is more than architecture, it is a dialogue between warmth and frost, restraint and luxury, tradition and modernity. Every line, every material, every glow of light has been deliberately composed to transform the Nordic winter into an experience of comfort and elegance. This is not a house you simply walk through, it is one you feel, one space at a time. The first impression is defined by clarity and confidence. The facade combines white plaster, vertical oak cladding, and a sharply pitched roof, an unmistakable Scandinavian signature. Large windows puncture the exterior, allowing warm amber light to spill outward, immediately contrasting the cold blue winter air. Christmas decor is minimal yet intentional: pine garlands, subtle lighting, and a handcrafted wreath. The design communicates restraint, precision, and warmth, an invitation without excess. The living room is the emotional core of the home. An open-plan layout allows the fireplace to command attention, grounding the space with stone, flame, and texture. Linen sofas, wool throws, and oak floors soften the architecture without diluting its clarity. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the snowy landscape like living artwork, while Christmas accents remain subdued, never decorative noise, only atmosphere. This is a space designed for pause, conversation, and winter evenings that linger. The master bedroom embodies Nordic restraint at its most refined. A low-profile bed dressed in crisp linens anchors the room, while natural wood surfaces introduce warmth without visual weight. Outside, snow-covered trees filter cool daylight through expansive windows, balancing the soft interior glow. Christmas elements are intentionally minimal: pine, candlelight, texture, allowing rest to remain the priority. This room does not impress loudly, it reassures quietly. The kitchen blends function and elegance with unmistakable Scandinavian discipline. Matte white cabinetry, oak countertops, and black fixtures establish contrast without complexity. Brass details add a subtle festive refinement, while pine garlands soften the clean geometry. Natural light reflects off snowy exteriors, enhancing the kitchen's brightness while warm interior lighting maintains intimacy. Designed for both daily rituals and seasonal gatherings, this kitchen proves minimalism can still feel generous. Above the living space, the mezzanine introduces vertical rhythm to the home. Open railings preserve visual continuity, while warm wood floors and soft lighting create a quiet retreat. This elevated perspective offers connection without intrusion, a place for reading, reflection, or observation. Christmas touches remain subtle, integrated rather than displayed. The mezzanine reinforces the home's philosophy: openness without exposure, intimacy without isolation. The bathroom transforms daily routine into ritual. White stone surfaces reflect light softly, while a wood vanity introduces organic warmth. A freestanding tub positioned near a winter window invites contrast, steam against snow, warmth against frost. Candlelight and pine elements evoke seasonal calm without visual clutter. This space is less about indulgence and more about restoration, designed to slow time rather than fill it. The front yard extends the home's architectural language into the landscape. A stone pathway cuts through fresh snow, guiding movement with intention. Pine trees wrapped in warm lights echo the interior glow, reinforcing continuity between inside and out. The facade remains dominant yet welcoming, framed by nature rather than competing with it. This exterior space prepares the visitor emotionally before the threshold is crossed. Viewed from above, the roofline reveals the discipline of the design. Snow rests heavily on the pitched form, emphasizing geometry and proportion. Soft lighting traces the edges, while chimney smoke introduces life into the stillness. The rooftop is not decorative, it is declarative, proof that function and beauty can coexist even under winter's weight. The working room balances productivity with serenity. An oak desk, minimalist lighting, and a restrained palette reduce distraction, while expansive windows reconnect focus with nature. Snow-covered trees provide a calming visual rhythm, reinforcing clarity of thought. Seasonal details are minimal, reinforcing that this space serves purpose first. Here, design supports concentration without sacrificing warmth. The backyard is a winter sanctuary. Wooden decking emerges from snow, framing a fireplace and seating area designed for cold evenings and shared moments. Wool textiles and warm lighting counterbalance the open air, while the rear facade mirrors the home's architectural consistency. This space proves that outdoor living does not end with winter, it evolves. This Scandinavian Christmas home demonstrates that true luxury is not excess, but intention. Through disciplined design, thoughtful materials, and a deep respect for season and context, it transforms winter into an atmosphere of calm and belonging. More than a residence, it is a masterclass in how architecture can shape emotion, experience, and time itself.